guys! Ito na naman isang video. So nandito kami ngayon sa aming chiropractor para magpa-adjust. Yung adjustment na to guys is part of our extended health insurance. So merong bawat company dito merong privilege na magkaroon ng extended health. So yung iba nagbabayad ng half depende sa ruling ng company. But we're so glad na yung kay Alan is all free and it's all covered. So may mga pwede kang spending money para pambayad mo sa mga ganitong services sa Canada. So just like in the Philippines, meron ding extended health insurance ang mga company. But I'm not just sure kung marami ng chiropractic services din sa Pilipinas. So, dito, i-scan ka nila in the beginning, tapos tingnan nila on how are they going to help you. So far, since September 2025, ang laki na ng natulong na itulong sa akin ng adjustment. Kaya, this January or I think early February, invite ko na rin si Alan para magpa-adjust. Kasi sayang naman yung extended health coverage na nagamit. So, malaking tulong ito guys. Try ninyo dito sa Chesterfield Family Chiropractor. Magaling po si Dr. Kim. So, just in case you're near this place, I recommend Dr. Kim po para sa inyong chiropractor. Thank you for watching guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.